In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear wiper arm on your Nissan Rogue, located right here on the back glass. On the back wiper arm here, there's a cap. Just pop this up. Once you have this cap up, it's going to give us access to a 12mm nut right here. Loosen and remove that. Good, remove the old arm. Now to remove that blade, the top end here is a hinge. You want to gently put your hand behind the back side here and fold it out like so. Going to disconnect that like that. Install the blade. Going to insert the top down and in. Line up the pin with the notch on the arm. Press it up and on. I'm going to pop up the cap. Line this up. I'm going to lift up the arm itself and wiggle this down onto the post. I'm going to install the nut. Once we have that on, we're going to go ahead and snug it down. Once that's tight, go ahead and fold that cover down, snap it on, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.